My name's Brittany Jackson. I'm the CEO of Scoutwire. We're a lesson design and delivery platform that does professional development in rapidly evolving science and technology careers, looking at how school to career pipelines are made. One of the biggest projects we're working on for the next few years is CyberSMART cities. This project was funded through the Office of Naval Research and STEM and multiple departments of education. So right now there is a huge push for cybersecurity in our middle school and high school classes because there's a huge area of need in our workforce development. What we've been doing with the CyberSMART City professional development is teaching teachers why it's so important. Because the reality is it's not about getting a job in security, it's that you need cybersecurity to get a job. So throughout the CyberSMART Cities PD, what happens is teachers learn about secure by design principles and how where something is made, how something is made, how it is used, and how it's coded all goes into cybersecurity. It's a fun way of bringing hands-on learning to get kids really thinking about how all of the smart devices that exist in their life bring cybersecurity risks and how to mitigate their risks to make a better future for tomorrow. We can't wait to see you in one of our workshops soon.